Once upon a time, there was a magical world called Ethereum. In this world, there was a special technology called blockchain that was used to make everything fair and secure. Let's go on an adventure to discover what this Ethereum blockchain technology is all about. Step 1. Understanding digital money. In the world of Ethereum, people use a special kind of money called cryptocurrency. But unlike the coins or paper money you're used to, this money only exists digitally. It's like having a secret code that represents how much money you have. Step 2. Exploring the blockchain. The Ethereum blockchain is like a big, digital ledger that keeps track of all the transactions made using cryptocurrency. Think of it as a never-ending storybook that records every time someone sends or receives money. But instead of a single person controlling it, everyone who uses Ethereum has a copy of the storybook. Step 3. Blocks and miners. The storybook in the Ethereum blockchain is divided into blocks. Each block contains a bunch of transactions, just like a chapter in a story. But here's the exciting part: to add a new block to the storybook, we need some special helpers called miners. Step 4. Mining for treasure. Miners are like the heroes of the Ethereum world. Their job is to solve tricky math problems that prove they did some hard work. When a miner solves the problem, they get a reward in the form of cryptocurrency. It's like finding treasure. This process of solving math problems is called mining. Step 5. Keeping things secure. By solving those math problems, miners make the Ethereum blockchain super secure. It's really hard for anyone to change the storybook or cheat the system. So, people can trust that their transactions are safe and can't be tampered with. Step 6. Smart contracts. But Ethereum isn't just about money transactions. It also has something called smart contracts. Imagine a contract is an agreement between two people, but instead of a paper, it's a computer program. These smart contracts can automatically execute actions when certain conditions are met. It's like having a digital robot that follows instructions. Step 7. Decentralization. One important thing about Ethereum is that it's decentralized. That means there's no single person or organization that controls everything. Instead, everyone who uses Ethereum helps keep the system running smoothly. It's like a big team effort. Step 8. Endless possibilities. The Ethereum blockchain opens up a world of possibilities. People can create all sorts of amazing things on top of it. They can build games, make digital art, create new types of money, and even develop decentralized applications that can change how we interact with technology. The only limit is their imagination. Step 9. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency. Now that we understand the basics of Ethereum blockchain, let's dive deeper into how people send and receive cryptocurrency. Imagine you have a friend named Alex who lives far away. You want to send them some Ethereum cryptocurrency as a birthday gift. First, you and Alex would each have a special digital wallet. This wallet is like a virtual piggy bank where you can store your cryptocurrency. Inside your wallet, you have a unique address, just like a secret code. To send cryptocurrency to Alex, you would need their wallet address. Step 10. Making a transaction. To send Ethereum to Alex, you would open your wallet app and enter Alex's wallet address. Then, you would specify the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Once you confirm the transaction, it's like dropping a letter into a mailbox. The transaction is now recorded in a block of the Ethereum blockchain storybook. Step 11. Confirming the transaction. Once you've sent the transaction, it takes some time for the miners to add it to the blockchain. Miners are busy solving math problems to secure the network and validate transactions. Once a miner successfully adds the block containing your transaction to the blockchain, it is considered confirmed. Hooray! Step 12. Keeping track of balances. Both you and Alex can check your wallet apps to see your updated cryptocurrency balances. Alex will see that they received the Ethereum you sent, and you will see that your balance has decreased by the amount you sent. It's like keeping track of how much money you have in your digital piggy bank. Step 13. The power of smart contracts. Remember those smart contracts we talked about? They can do some really cool things. For example, let's say you want to buy a ticket for a concert using Ethereum. The concert organizer can create a smart contract that automatically issues you a digital ticket once you send the right amount of Ethereum. No need for a ticket booth or physical tickets. Step 14, exploring DApps, decentralized applications, or DApps, are like regular apps you use on your phone or computer. But they run on the Ethereum blockchain, which means they have some special features. DApps can be games, social networks, or even decentralized finance platforms where you can lend or borrow money without relying on traditional banks. Step 15, innovations and the future. The Ethereum blockchain is always evolving, with developers constantly finding new ways to use it. Some people are even working on Ethereum 2.0, a major upgrade that will make it faster and more efficient. This means even more exciting possibilities, and that's the story of Ethereum blockchain technology. It's a fascinating world where digital money, mining, secure transactions, and smart contracts come together. While it may be a bit tricky to learn to grasp all the details, I hope this adventure gave you a glimpse into the magical world of Ethereum. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.